Hello guys, good evening, and I hope everybody is well. In tonight's video, I'm really excited. I'm heading down to Ibiza Town because it's the arrival of the GUMBALL 3000 rally. The cars have come all the way from Istanbul in Turkey, and tonight they are arriving in Ibiza Town. The cars left Turkey just over a week ago, so leaving Istanbul, they passed through Bucharest, Belgrade, Florence, Nice, crossed over the French-Spanish border, headed to Valencia, and then earlier this afternoon they jumped on the ferry in Denia for the 2-hour fast ferry crossing to arrive in Ibiza. Apparently we can expect over 100 supercars, celebrities, sports personalities, YouTubers, various influencers. It's going to be a great atmosphere. Let's go down there and check it out. Very busy in Ibiza Town this evening. It is just after 7 o'clock. The ferries are still going back and forth to Formentera. I can see the crowd over there on the marina. But what a backdrop to arrive into Ibiza. Dolt Villa. And I don't know if you can see in the distance there, but we have the Virgin Voyage Scarlet Lady, I think that is.
Right, pulling up next we have team number 50 in the Euros Performance. We want to hear from you, Andy. Let's hear from Performance. Andy, we have team number 5 about to roll stars doing this. Long drives. Are you happy? Are you proud to be here?
Pretty impressive so far. About 20 supercars have driven at high speed along the marina. They stop at the end, do a donut, and then back along the marina. Teams from all over the world. They've finished in Ibiza after 3,000 miles, and tonight they're going to go party at Universe with David Guetta. Hopefully no one will need the ambulance. Well, what an insane night last night was. It was very impressive to see the end of the GUMBALL 3000 in Ibiza Town. Well done to everybody that made it the 3,000-mile journey from Istanbul to Ibiza. As you can see from the vlog, it was very busy. Thousands of people lined the streets to welcome the supercars and the drivers into Ibiza. An amazing backdrop with Dolt Villa just there. Ibiza Town is a very busy place at the best of times, but I had the pushchair with me, so we made an early exit, hence doing the close of this video today. Anyway guys, I hope you've enjoyed that. I think it's going to be a short one, but it just goes to show you some of the events that still happen here in Ibiza right until the end of the season. It's not all about clubbing. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you're still here, please hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you on the next video. Cheers guys.